Hi, and welcome to Cenario, your partner in mental wellness. Here on our channel, we share educational, insightful, and science-backed content to help you understand your mental health and take meaningful steps toward a more balanced life. If you're ready to learn, grow, and take control of your wellness journey, let's jump right in.
Have you ever gone to bed tired, but still couldn't fall asleep? Or maybe you fall asleep just fine, but wake up feeling exhausted anyway. If your sleep schedule feels completely off, you're not alone. And the good news is, it's something you can reset with the right approach. Sleep is one of the most important foundations of your health. It affects your focus, your mood, your energy, and even your heart. When your sleep schedule is inconsistent, everything feels harder. You might feel unfocused during the day, more stressed than usual, or easily irritated. Over time, poor sleep can increase the risk of long-term health issues. That's why building a consistent sleep routine really matters. So let's talk about what's actually going on. Your body runs on something called a circadian rhythm. Think of it as your internal 24-hour clock. This clock tells you when to feel awake and when to feel sleepy, and it's heavily influenced by light. Morning sunlight signals to your brain that it's time to wake up. Darkness at night signals your body to produce melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. But when you stay up late, sleep in often, or scroll on your phone at night, that internal clock gets confused. Resetting your sleep schedule isn't about forcing yourself to sleep earlier overnight. It's about gently guiding your body back into rhythm. The first and most powerful step is waking up at the same time every single day. Yes, even on weekends. Consistency trains your body to expect sleep and wakefulness at regular times. Next, adjust your bedtime gradually. Move it earlier by 15 to 30 minutes every few days instead of making a drastic change. Small shifts are easier for your body to accept. Morning sunlight is another game changer. Try to get at least 15 to 30 minutes of natural light soon after waking up. Go for a short walk or sit near a bright window. This helps reset your internal clock naturally. Now let's talk about sleep hygiene, which simply means habits that support better sleep. Your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet. Even small changes like blackout curtains or white noise can make a difference. Create a wind-down routine about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. That could be reading, stretching, taking a warm shower, or practicing deep breathing. Doing the same relaxing activities each night signals to your brain that it's time to rest. Try to limit screen time at least an hour before bed. Blue light from phones and laptops can reduce melatonin and make it harder to fall asleep. Lifestyle habits matter too. Regular exercise can improve sleep quality, but avoid intense workouts right before bed. Be mindful of caffeine, especially in the afternoon and evening, and avoid heavy meals or alcohol close to bedtime. If you nap, keep it short. Around 20 to 30 minutes is ideal, and try not to nap late in the day. If you're naturally a night owl, work night shifts, or are a student, focus on slow shifts and consistent light exposure. Remember, resetting your sleep schedule doesn't happen overnight. It takes steady, small changes and daily consistency. But when you align your habits with your body's natural rhythm, you can improve your sleep quality, boost your daytime energy, and feel more balanced overall. Better sleep supports better focus, better mood, and better performance in everyday life. If you'd like more personalized guidance, we've made it simple. Take the Cenario Quiz to get personalized supplement recommendations designed to support your unique sleep needs and lifestyle. It's a quick way to understand what might support your routine as you work toward better, more consistent sleep. Your body already knows how to sleep well. Sometimes it just needs the right support and consistency to get back on track.
Thank you for watching Cenario. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For personalized mental wellness supplements, visit Cenario.com. See you in the next one.